Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Unobstructed Oceanfront SEAGULL Unit 3 Beach Pad. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Surfside Beach, a few steps from Surfside Beach and 27 miles from Galveston Country Club, Unobstructed Oceanfront SEAGULL Unit 3 Beach Pad provides air-conditioned accommodations with a balcony and free Wi-Fi. The property features sea views and is 1.7 miles from Surfside Beach and 2 miles from Surfside. The vacation home features one bedroom, a kitchen with a microwave and a fridge, a washing machine and a bathroom with a hairdryer. A TV is provided. Cycling can be enjoyed nearby. Hercules Offshore Heliport is 3 miles from Unobstructed Oceanfront SEAGULL Unit 3 Beach Pad, while Buccaneer Shore Facility Heliport is 3.7 miles away. The nearest airport is William P. Hobby Airport, 62 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.